This is going to be a video tutorial on how to allow or deny tags and mentions on the Instagram app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Instagram app. To allow or deny tags and mentions, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner, down to your little profile icon. You want to tap on that. Then in the upper right hand corner, you want to tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu. Then you will scroll down to where you see the section on how others can interact with you. And in that section right here are tags and mentions. Tap on tags and mentions. And then you have all different types of options here. Who can tag you? If you toggle on the top one, allow tags from everybody. If you toggle on the middle one, allow tags from people you follow. Or if you toggle on the bottom one, don't allow tags. If you scroll down further, how you manage tags. You can manually approve tags by toggling this on. You could tap on review tags. Or you could scroll down lower. Who can mention you? The top one is allow mentions from everybody. That's probably toggled on by default like you see mine. The middle one, if you toggle that one on, allow mentions from people you follow. And the bottom one, don't allow mentions. It gives you a few more options. Allow people to boost their stories they mention you in. You can, by default, that's toggled on. And the bottom one is allow people to boost stories that reshare your content and mention you. That is how to allow or deny tags and mentions on Instagram. Thanks for watching.